Hi guys, I am Virtual Teacher back with another new video. Today I want to show you how to draw an awesome flower with pencil step by step. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos notification. So let's start watching this video. I hope everyone enjoy and watch this video till the end. If you want to learn something from this video, you will be draw the line step by step as it is shown in this video. Then it will be awesome. Please leave a comment. It makes me happy to see your thoughts and ideas.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out, yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out.